you will need a knife, standard sort of knife. Mine flips open, but you know, any knife. Some corrugated cardboard, some skewers of some sort. I'm not sure if mine are bamboo or wood or whatever, and an object to measure, as if you will. Um, you also need a cutting mat, but first of all you put the object on the piece of cardboard, cut off this bit of manky edge bit, it's all squished and not very good to work with. So you put the object to measure over that. You could just make it bigger than the object, or smaller if you want to measure part of the object, but just cut it to the size you need it. If you, yeah, just as something you need to measure. Poke the skewers through one bit at a time, through like every other hole. If you poke it through every hole, they're too close together and it won't work. So make sure you do every hole. And the magical video editing's done. It's simple, just push it down flat on the surface, or obviously on a flat surface to begin with, just to make sure they're all level. Turns out the other side is they're not all straight, so it wouldn't be very good to use as it's quite inaccurate there. So, quite unhelpful. Just put it over the object you want to measure, onto the highest point of it. Make sure you're holding it vertical, so it's accurate. Then push the skewers down one at a time to make sure that they all go to the right depth, because if you push them all down at once, the ones at the side might bend a bit and then it won't be very accurate. Yeah, that's how you do that, and then you can take that, it's now moulded to the shape, and you can put it down and draw around it. So let me just get a pen. So I'm not actually going to draw on it, but you can just draw around it. Say I had a piece of paper under it or something, and you'd be able to mark out your shape in a profile, or if you wanted to do it from the front